Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to format Windows 11. I am going to show you two methods. First method is format and reset your Windows 11 completely. So let's start with that method. Go to search bar and search for reset PC. Just tap on this one. Okay, in this menu you can just tap on reset PC option. So there are two options. You can keep your files and only reset the settings, or you can remove everything like setting and other things also. Choose the option and then it will be reset your PC. But if you need to reset format only one drive, so you can use this method. First close this one and go to this PC and right click on the drive you need to format and just go to more options, tap on format. So it will be open this kind of menu. So you can use quick format or normal format, and quick format will be doing quick, but normal format will be take around 1 hour according to your space. So then after just tap on start, then it will be completely format that disk only. Okay, so these are the two methods you can use to reset your PC. Importantly, if your drive has a BitLocker drive encryption, make sure to remember your password, because after you resetting it asks the password for that drive. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.